Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm decluttering my kitchen and I thought that I would take you along with me. So sometimes when you go to declutter a room, it can be kind of overwhelming and you don't really know where to start. So in this video, I'm gonna share 8 things that you can get rid of today, and it'll help you kind of get the ball rolling and get some momentum on getting your kitchen all nice and decluttered and organized. If you're new to my channel, I'm Holly, and my channel is all about helping creative moms design a home and a career that they love. I would love if you would click the subscribe button and the bell notification so that you don't miss any of my new videos. And let me know in the comments what room of your house needs decluttered the most. I think for me, it would have to be our attic. And I know that attics, it's okay for them to be messy, but ours is a little out of control. All right, let's get right into the video. So number 1 is counter clutter that doesn't belong in the kitchen. So I think this is a really common thing in pretty much every house, but for some reason, the bar or the island of a kitchen just ends up getting cluttered with random crap. Just bills, maybe you throw your keys down, you throw your hat down when you walk in the door, whatever it is, it just stuff just ends up there. It's like a good dropping zone. And so the first thing you can do to declutter your kitchen is put all that stuff where it goes. Even if you don't necessarily get it organized, just at least get all of that counter clutter out of the way. Number 2 is expired pantry food. So if you don't have the energy to go through and clean out your whole pantry right now, or like get it organized and labeled and everything, at least just go through and check the dates on the food and throw out what has expired. Number 3 is cleaning supplies that you never use. So if you're like me, you probably keep your cleaning supplies under the sink. There's always stuff in there that just doesn't ever get used. So you want to just keep what you end up reaching for every time. I recently have subscribed to the Grove Collaborative. If you guys haven't heard of them, check out the description box below and you can see what they're all about. But they have like all natural cleaning supplies. And since having a baby, that's something I've been trying to do more of. And so I've been getting their really good like cleaning supplies. And so those are the ones that I'm reaching for all the time. So I'm gonna just go ahead and get rid of the more chemical ones that I never use anymore. Number 4 is unnecessary duplicates. It's really easy for some reason in the kitchen, things just kind of pile up. And so you might turn around and have like 10 spatulas. You don't need 10 spatulas. So pare it down to only, 1 or 2. I would say 3 max is probably all the duplicates that you need. Number 5 is pots and pans that you don't use. Along the same lines of having duplicates, a lot of times there will be just pots and pans that we don't use for whatever reason. Maybe we don't like the shape of them. Maybe food always gets stuck to the bottom, or just for whatever reason, we just don't like it. We don't use them. Just get rid of those. There's no need having them taking up space in your kitchen. Number 6 is appliances that you don't use. We all get these fun little kitchen gadgets as gifts sometimes for Christmas or whatever, and you end up with like a donut maker and a George Foreman grill and a sandwich press, all these different things. And if you use them, then great. But I think most of us end up having a bunch that we don't end up using. This is a great time to just be honest with yourself and say, I haven't used this George Foreman grill since I got married 10 years ago, so I'm just gonna get rid of it. Number 7 is Tupperware with no lids or lids with no Tupperware. Tupperware just piles up, and I recently switched over to all glass containers. I'll put a link in the description box if you're interested in the same ones that I have. And that has helped because it's really pared down all of the plastic containers and lids and everything that used to take up a lot of space in our cabinet. Just go through and make sure that every container has a lid and every lid has a container. And if it doesn't, just throw it out. Because is there anything more frustrating? It like makes my blood boil when I'm trying to clean up the kitchen and put food away, and I open the cabinet and they all fall on you, or you can't find the lid that you need. It's just super frustrating. You don't have to get the cabinet super organized right now. Just get rid of the ones that don't have a mate. And number 8 is excessive plastic bags. If you're like me and you have a dog, we like to keep the plastic bags like at Walmart or whatever to pick up after our dog when we go for walks, and that's great. And you can also use plastic bags for all kinds of stuff around the house. But number 1, plastic bags aren't really good for the environment, so it's probably better to try to get away from using them. That's kind of another topic. But if you have just accumulated all of these excessive plastic bags and they're taking up like a huge entire cabinet, you probably don't need them all, and they will probably accumulate again. So maybe just try to pare it down to a more manageable amount. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that maybe this gave you a little jump start on decluttering your kitchen. If so, please click the like button and be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any new videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!